Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can invite other website designers and co-editors to your website project in Webflow Web Designer. So let us dive into this. Head over to your website project on Webflow through the designer. Next, click into share in the top right. And you may use this field to invite someone via an email invitation. Enter the recipient's email address here. Select the role, for example, here to the right, which will give the invited user permissions, for example, to review the given page, to edit it, depending on the given role you assign from the drop-down menu. Click into invite here, or alternatively use that invitational link. However, guys, as you can see with my current account status, I can create only an invitation link for workspace members. So these are the two options. The third option would be to invite someone through a sandbox/read-only link, but we discussed that in a separate tutorial. So guys, that's how it works here on Webflow Website Builder. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.